Hey, Tommy from Indie Tommy Tips, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil and air filter on a Toro Push Mower. Now, these things don't have a drain plug underneath or on the side. The manufacturer actually recommends that you unscrew the oil cap, which is on this side, and you turn the thing upside down to drain the oil. How weird is that, man? They recommend, a 30 weight oil, but I'm going to use this oil. And I think you use like 14 or 18 ounces of oil. But before I drain the oil, I'm going to start the thing. I'm going to let it run for a couple minutes and then drain the oil and dispose of it properly. There's the drain plug. It's the same port where you check your oil. I'm going to grab a plastic bucket, turn this thing upside down, dump out all the oil. I've been saving this oil bucket from oil that I've been collecting from different equipment throughout the years. You certainly don't want to poison the environment and dump this stuff on the ground. So I ran this thing earlier to warm up the engine. Take out this plug, lay it over here, and turn this thing, I'm not as young as I used to be, upside down into this. It's a lot of fun. Probably be a good idea if I created some type of leverage and leaned it on some type of a board or something, but that would make sense. I'm gonna lean it on this bucket. Okay. I don't think you'd want to do this with a regular push mower. Not that this is not a regular push mower, but it could screw up your pistons or your heads and cause things to smoke. Make sure there's not a lot of fuel in here, otherwise that'll leak out also. We're going to fill it up. I'm going to do it a little at a time and keep checking the dipstick. Wiping it down. Yep, looks good. Now, we're going to replace this horrible air filter with this new guy that I got from Amazon. This guy and take this guy, put it on. So that's it for Indie Tommy Tips, how to change the oil and air filter. The Toro Push Mower. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe. Have a great day.